the next big company to do a stock split. Why is this important to investors? Because we know usually, not all the time, when big companies split, their stock goes on a run. Tesla has been on a run ever since it announced this 5-to-1 split. It went from 14. Now, you ladies and gentlemen know who really follow me. Company, you would know that I would talk about investing in Tesla back in January. I've been talking about investing in Apple. My company that's not doing well is Uber, right? Uber got into political risk. That's a part of investing, political risk. Here I am with Uber thinking, okay, I'm watching their track record. This story is making sense. Then all of a sudden, a California judge come out to disrupt their whole business model, right? And we're going to see how Uber is going to fight through this. That's the risk you deal with when you deal with a young, unprofitable company in a new sector. They have growing pains, just like Facebook had growing pains and still going through growing pains, being the number one person in a new sector. Facebook came out, it was some kiddie thing that everybody was playing with. Now Facebook is getting called up to Congress because it's too doggone big and it's too important. You got Joe Biden in his basement running a presidential campaign using Facebook ads. That's how much the world has changed. How many times do you tune on how many times I turn the TV on to Fox and watch Fox Business? Little to none, because I watch everything from my from social media. Y'all give me 1 second. I didn't get it. 1 second here. Let me switch out my microphone. All right. There we go. All right. So now we've seen Apple has been going on a run. Apple was going on a nice run after it announced its stock split, all the way until what happened? Until Fortnite Epic Games kind of came out and started calling. Facebook came out too and said, man, you guys are charging a lot in these stores. You're taking 30% of these people's profits in this pandemic. So ever since then, Apple's now been cooling off. Who do I think is going to be next? Drum roll, please. Amazon. I wish I had some big graphics to be like Amazon, and the string rattles, stuff like that. But I ain't got there yet. Maybe one day. But I believe Amazon is the next one to do a stock split. Everybody knows Amazon has Amazon trades for $3,000 right now. Amazon trades for $3,000. And Amazon has done stock splits before, way back in the day, way before I got into the world of investing. They split 2 times in 1999, and they split 1 time in 1998. 1998, they did a 2-for-1 split. 1999, they did a 3-for-1 split. And then January 1999, they did a 3-for-1. And in September 1999, they did a 2-for-1 split. So the stock is split a couple times, but that was over 20-something years ago, and they haven't split yet. Now the stock is costing $3,000. It's out of the price range of a lot of people. So why won't Amazon split? I haven't seen, in order to do a stock split, it has to be something. Usually companies announce their stock splits right around the earnings season. The earnings won't come out for Amazon until another 3 months from now. So we're looking at July, August, September, October, around October timeframe. Later on this year, they could have a conversation to possibly do a stock split, because if Amazon splits, that's going to make their stock more valuable. They said they did a 5-to-1 split. 3,000 divided by 5. I don't know the exact math on that. What is that about? What? 5. I don't know, about $600 the stock may go down to, right? Maybe $600 a piece. Now the stock is more affordable. Imagine if Amazon went from $3,000 to $600. Now it opens itself up. The demand for the stock can increase, because a lot of people would have Amazon in their portfolio, but they can't. It's just too much. It costs $3,000. Some people are like, whoa, that takes up a lot of money. I can get a couple shares of Microsoft. I can get a couple shares of Google for now, because Google's Facebook. I can get Facebook. I can get Microsoft. I can get Amazon. Ladies and gentlemen, and guess what? Not guess why, but the reason why I eyeballed them, when Congress called Facebook, Google, Amazon, and Apple all to Congress to talk about antitrust, that's when I knew these companies are the companies for the future. I said this again, I say it again. Why did Congress call Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Google all to Congress? Because those companies are too powerful, way powerful. That's why they call them. Let me see what y'all say in the comments.